Okay, so hey guys, as you guys can see, I am back, and this is the second part to the sort of lazy girl wig customization, and this is the application part. So when I say lazy girl, as you guys know, I mean like someone who just doesn't want to do all the work, you know, like a full install and all of that. I understand, trust me. It can be overwhelming, especially with frontals sometimes, so I get it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I usually, I guess, put my wigs on and stuff when I'm in a rush. And this is the unit on. Super silky, super soft. I really like that a lot. First, we're just, look at that lace though. Look at how it's blended. First, we're just going to cut off the lace, and then I'll show you guys how I literally get the wig on in under 5 minutes. Make sure you got it measured, because y'all, once this lace is gone, it is gone. Okay, once you cut it, say deuces, okay? Literally, it's gone. So, I'm just gonna cut as close to the hairline as possible. You have to be really careful when doing this. And my biggest like advice to anybody with a frontal, a new wig, whatever, always cut the middle before cutting the ends, just because you don't want to do something wrong and then regret it after. And don't always cut too much lace off, because you're going to need some, but cutting close to the hairline really helps that natural look, so it gives you, you know, what you want, what people go for when getting lace frontals. See, it's literally like blending with my skin, and that has to do with the stuff that we put on earlier in the previous video. So when it comes to cutting ear tabs, hold on. So you want to have like a bobby pin, I guess, or some kind of thing to help you divide, and you basically just want to pull it, you know, close to your hairline as possible, you know, so it's secure and you know what it will look like when you apply it. So you guys can see, oh, that lace is looking transparent, honey. Okay, come through. Take this. Basically, it's all about cutting around your ear, but be careful, because you don't want to actually cut into the like weft on the wig, so make sure you pay attention. We're gonna leave a little like triangle for application, and then we're going to like do like a horseshoe, I guess. And tuck it behind your ear. Tuck it behind your ear, baby. This one's fitting a little snug. So. And boom. So you can be like, hey girl, you know. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna do it in the mirror, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have our ear tabs cut off, honey. Okay, we got them cut off. So this is key to when doing this as you're in a rush. I don't know where my freaking dividers are, but for the time being, I'm just going to use bobby pins to section this hair to the back. Section it to the back so it doesn't give me any problems. There we go. Looks like I've got a mullet, but it's okay. It shouldn't feel super tight. It should relatively be enough room. So what I like to do when I'm in a rush is sort of pull it back just a little, so you know what you're doing, and the fact that these are already like swooped up helps. I would say to get a comb, so I'm gonna grab one. Okay, so I have the comb. The comb is basically to like push up the got-to-be, because if you guys know, it will drip down the side of your face, which is really freaking annoying, because sometimes it'll dry up if you're in a rush and you won't see it, you'll forget to wipe it away or whatever the case may be. So just start with little squirts. You don't need a lot. Typically you don't need a lot, so just spray like, and kind of like press it into your hairline. Spray. Okay, and then spray. Make sure it doesn't drip. Make sure it doesn't drip. I'm gonna do 2 layers across my forehead, and I'm just gonna repeat the steps. I'm gonna stop talking. I have applied enough to where I feel like it's, you know, safe. So you're going to do now is literally like grab a small eyeshadow palette or anything flat that will help you dry it, because if you're rushing, you don't really want to bust out the blow dryer and all that. So I found this flat bobby pin holder, so I'm just gonna basically dry it. And typically I do this for like a minute, and then I just take it and apply the lace, and it always sticks and it holds, so I can just get up and go, put my clothes on, whatever it is that I have to do. But make sure you don't dry it too much. So just continue to dry it. It isn't always a minute, but I just touched it and it feels tacky. So this is the part where you take it and literally just press it. Oh, it sticks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. And do each side. So I'm gonna do these ear tabs and just press, and do this side, press. Oh my gosh, it's sticking so good. I love when I do this. I mean, this end is a little too long, but I'm just gonna press it, and this is the part where you can take your comb and the end of it and just press on the lace so it adheres to your hairline. And there you go. This is definitely stuck. Like, it's stuck, y'all. That was a yank. So just gonna wait. And for extra assurance, you can tie a scarf around it, but I'm not gonna do that because it feels pretty secure to me. So I am going to, now I'm gonna wait like a minute or like two, and I'm gonna get off camera and put it in a style and get back on camera and let you guys know some of my thoughts about this unit. And I hope this is helpful. Don't rush. If you're in a rush, but don't rush if you don't have to. I swear this just took me like 5 minutes to put on my head, so not bad. So I have officially just styled the wig on my head, and then I put some powder around the hairline just for my own comfort. This wig is from WKWIG Hair, as you guys know from both video titles. So this is a straight 22-inch frontal wig, and good news, you guys, this wig is under $200, so you don't have to break your bank to get it. So I do like that it was relatively easy to pluck this unit. It wasn't a lot of crazy, you know, super dense hairline going on, and I like that a lot. Also, I like the density. The density, it is 180. It doesn't matter if you get 200 for the density, it will still not be over $200. It doesn't even touch $200 actually. I believe the cap is either small and medium. I know it's not large. It might be small because I'm sure I didn't even tell them what cap to give me, so they just kind of gave me, I guess, probably just small. There's a lot of space. It's 3 combs and adjustable straps, 1 in the back, 2 up here, and then those straps in the back. So the hair is really soft and silky, and I like that it looks black. It's really, really cute. Yeah, I will of course link this below, and if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check them out. I of course have some coupon codes and stuff in the description I will place. So yeah, hopefully this is easy for you guys. The wig feels very secure. It's not too tight, but it is tight on my head, so don't think it's just gonna be like a loose fit or anything. So it's secure, you know, you can run or do whatever you gotta do. You just get this wig on in 5 minutes. So yeah, that's really it for this review or lazy girl install, whatever you want to call it. Thank you to WKWIG Hair for sending this unit. I love it. I hope you guys do as much as I do. This company I've been working with for a while, and they have not given me any problems, so thank you for that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching another video. Hopefully this helps you out some way, because I know everyone's busy and it's around the holidays, so you don't always have time to sit and do a full install for like 30 minutes to an hour. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next video.